Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Cucumbers are members of the melon family. This means cucumbers are actually a fruit instead of a vegetable. Cucumbers are green and are shaped like a tube. The outside skin of the cucumber is called the peel. It is tough and not very tasty. The inside of the cucumber is called the flesh. This is the yummy part. It is light green and soft yet crunchy like cantaloupe. The center of the flesh is filled with seeds that are safe to eat. Cucumbers are a good source of vitamin C, vitamin K and potassium. The green color of cucumber skin indicates it is a great source of chlorophyll, which is a valuable phytonutrient. Cucumbers are contain vitamin A, fiber, pantothenic acid, magnesium, phosphorus and manganese, to name a few. All cucumbers are not alike. There are about 50 different kinds of cucumbers. Some of them have smooth skin and others have bumpy skin. Smooth-skinned cucumbers are usually dark green and the bumpy-skinned cucumbers are light green and greenish yellow. The thick skin of the cucumber makes it harder for bugs to eat. So cucumbers are not usually bothered by bugs. The plants are not so lucky though. People who grow cucumbers need to check for bugs on the plant almost every day and must kill the bugs quickly so they do not destroy the plant. Cucumber facts. Cucumbers are 96% water. Cucumbers get rid of bad breath. Just put a slice of cucumber on the roof of your mouth for about 30 seconds and your bad breath will be gone. Most of the flavor in the cucumber comes from the seeds. Cucumber have lot of vitamin C in them. Cucumber have been eaten by people for thousands of years. The smell of cucumber helps people relax. The outside waxy coating on the smooth cucumber skin here is ink. Cucumbers give you energy because they are full of vitamin B and carbohydrates. How to grow cucumbers? Cucumbers are grown from seeds. The plants are vines that spread out along the ground. The vine get little yellow flowers on them called blooms. The blooms then grow into cucumbers. It takes almost 3 months for cucumber to be ready to pick after planting the seed in the ground. Cucumbers need moist soil and plenty of warm sunshine to grow. If the soil is too dry, the cucumber will be bitter. What are cucumbers used for? Cucumbers are eaten raw without the peeling. You can eat them in salads, sandwiches or by themselves. Some people like to put salt or vinegar on their cucumbers or both. The smooth-skinned cucumbers are also used to make pickles, dill pickles, sweet pickles or spicy pickles. Health benefits of cucumbers. Number 1. It promotes hydration. Number 2. It protects the brain. Number 3. It reduces bad breath. Number 4. It helps reduce the risk of cancer. Number 5. It helps manage diabetes. Number 6. It keeps the body in a healthy state. Number 7. It protects the bone. Number 8. It keeps the heart in shape. Number 9. It may aid in weight loss. Cucumbers could potentially help you lose weight in a few different ways. First of all, they are low in calories. This means that you can eat plenty of cucumbers without packing on the extra calories that lead to weight gain. Cucumbers can add freshness and flavor to salads, sandwiches and side dishes, and may also be used as a replacement for higher calorie alternatives. Furthermore, the high water content of cucumbers could aid in weight loss as well. One analysis looked at 13 studies included 3,600 128 people and found that eating food with high water and low calorie contents was associated with a significant decrease in body weight. Cucumbers are low in calories, high in water, and can be used as a low calorie topping for many dishes. All of these may aid in weight loss. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family too.